up, Boruto. Is it really that bad?
Yeah, it's bad. It's really bad.
What kept you so long, Lord Hokage? You don't have much time left at this point.
It's tomorrow, huh?
Please hurry, or you won't be done by the entrance ceremony.
Guess I'm gonna be here all night again.
I barely made it. The limited edition green chili burger! It's the last day they're serving it.
Why do I keep hanging out with you?
You don't want
I didn't
yours?
say that.
Spicy!
What is in this?
So good, right?
I don't believe this. You know you're impossible.
I gotta say, this train is really convenient. I hardly have to walk at all, now that we've got this.
Yeah, the Hidden Leaf Village is getting more and more modern. But of course, starting tomorrow, we still have to attend that old-fashioned ninja academy.
What? That's tomorrow?
There's a lot of stuff to get ready. Didn't you do any of it? I mean, didn't your dad tell you about it?
Maybe.
Boruto, listen, don't go doing anything that's gonna embarrass your dad, okay? Because it'll make me look bad, too.
Seriously?
You may not know this, but your mom always tells me to watch out for you.
She does?
See, it's like this train.
Huh?
If it stays on the tracks, it gets to its destination easily. So just sit tight till you get there.
What are you talking about?
I'm only telling you that you should behave. See ya. Don't be late on the first day.
Ah, shut up! This has nothing to do with Dad at all. You'll see! I'll show you one day!
Where are your parents? That's dangerous!
Oh, sorry, man. My bad. Goodbye!